Hi guys, I am Tejas and today I am going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Guru 1200. I brought this phone from Amazon for 1100 rupees. Here you can see the quick specs of the phone. This is just a normal feature phone. And let us open this. We could open the seal. And this phone opens from the sideways. Here's the phone. Hope you can see this. Let's keep the phone for the side and check what all accessories we get with this. Open this. Yeah. Here we get a travel charger. You can see the rating. It's a 5-volt charger, and let us keep this to the side. And we get a battery, small one, and these are some user manuals. Okay, we'll keep this to the side and we'll have a look at the phone. If we open this from the cover, yeah, here's the phone, tiny phone. Let us remove the front cover of this. See, this is the back of the phone, and if we open this, we'll get a micro SD slot, and at the bottom we get a microphone over here. You can see this, yeah. And nothing much. Here you get an LED torch. That's it. Let's open the back of the phone. Here you get to add a SIM and the battery. Let's open the battery. And we'll put it to the phone. Let's on it. When it gets on, we'll put this back. How are you today? Let me show you from the time and date must be set. Yes. Time is New Delhi. Yes, it's correct. The time now is, let me check, it's 2:58. 2:58. Okay, and the date is 12th of March 2018. Save. See, this is the normal user interface. This has a 1.5-inch screen, and let me go to menu. This has call log, some games, applications, contacts, messages, alarms, calendar, memo, and settings. Let us go to the settings. We have profiles, display, time and date, phone, applications, security, network, memory, and reset. This was pretty much the unboxing of Samsung Guru 1200. Thanks for watching my video. You can buy this from Amazon for 1100 rupees. Thanks.